So we're talking about collaboration. Yeah, look, it's really important, and we're talking about directors now expecting a sound department to be able to perform miracles. Directors don't want to ADR anymore. They know it's going to affect their movie, and they don't want to know about how many tracks we're using or about how great chirps or DPA sound. But what they do know is they instinctively know that we can do more now because the technology at our fingertips is more powerful. There has been a radical shift forward in the last sort of, I would say sort of 5 or 6 years ago. I felt I was getting more powerful tools. The Zaxcom Diva 16, more powerful. You know, the Electrosonics radio mics, you know, very, very powerful.
Fantastic. And just putting on that point of equipment, what equipment are you running at the moment?
Just 1 second.
No problem.
But for those of you that are into dogs, that's Gracie. She's a
oh.
dog. Okay, Gracie's going to go outside. Go on, out you go. So, what equipment am I running? Okay, yes. Let me take you through what happens on my cart. I'm a massive fan of Zaxcom Diva. I run 2 Divas on my cart. I run a Diva 16, which is my primary recording device. I run a Diva 5, which is my multi-track backup, so that I'm always recording a backup. That goes back to a day when I was recording on DAT, and I almost dropped a DAT tape down a storm drain, which had 3 hours worth of rushes on it. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, it wasn't good. It didn't go down the storm drain, but there was the moment. You know that Guy Ritchie shooting style where it's real slow and there's a sound effect on it. The sound effect was, and that was my life before my eyes. So look, I didn't start recording a safety copy on Zaxcom because of the unreliability of the kit, because it's been super reliable. I did it just because I'm a paranoid guy and I happened to have 2 Divas when I went from the 5 to the 8. And when I was on DAT wasn't super reliable, and I felt that I needed to back up. And so I started backing up DAT. I had an HHB port with that time code, and I'd back up on the Sony Walkman DAT, which was a funky little machine in those days. But so now I've got two Divas and I'm doing a multi-track backup. But what that does allow me to do, having those 2 Divas rigged together with the timecode jammed together on the top of my cart, it means that if I ever do need more than 16 tracks on the Diva 16, I can instantly run the second Diva as another group of 10 ISOs with the timecode batched together. So I can present 26 tracks to the cutting room if I need to. That's very, very rare. We did it a lot on Les Mis, but you know that doesn't generally happen. Generally, 16 tracks is enough.